Welcome to Video 4, the final video in the AquaGate security series. In the previous 3 videos, we exploited all 7 vulnerabilities. In this one, we switched to the secure version and run every attack again to confirm each fix actually holds. To switch versions, bring down the insecure stack and start the secure one with docker-compose using the secure compose file. Same URL, same credentials, the attacker container is gone. Here's what changed. Template escaping, secure cookie flags with session rotation, authentication decorators on every protected route, subprocess eliminated from diagnostics, debug equals false with custom error handlers, and schema-level input validation with a unique constraint. V1 XSS. On the left, the insecure version executing our script tag and redirecting to the attacker listener. On the right, the secure version, the exact same URL, renders the script tag as literal escape text. The fix is switching from render template string to render template, which lets Jinja2 auto-escape all template variables by default. V2 and V3. Session handling. The insecure version had no HttpOnly flag. Document.cookie returned the full session token. In the secure version, document.cookie returns an empty string. HttpOnly is set, SameSite is strict, and a new token is issued on every login. Session fixation and cookie theft are both closed. V5. Access control. 3 cases all handled by the admin-required decorator. An unauthenticated request gets a 302 redirect to login. A logged-in operator gets HTTP 403 forbidden. Only a logged-in admin gets the panel. One decorator definition, applied everywhere. V4. Command injection. The secure diagnostics page no longer accepts a host parameter at all. Subprocess is gone, replaced with internal health checks showing database connectivity, uptime, and config status. Any injection attempt against the old URL gets a 302 to login. No subprocess call is ever made. V6. Debug mode. On the left, the SSTI payload opening the Werkzeug interactive debugger with full source code and a Python console. On the right, the secure version returns HTTP 500 with a clean generic error page. 2 fixes working together. Render template means the expression is never evaluated as a template, and debug equals false. False means the Werkzeug debugger never activates even if an exception does occur. V7. Input validation and race condition. Submitting invalid data returns 5 validation errors, and HTTP 400, nothing is stored. 2 concurrent requests for the same time slot. One succeeds, the other gets HTTP 409. That time slot is unavailable. Application validation and the unique database constraint working together as 2 independent layers. Here's the full replay table. All 7 attacks, all 7 blocked. XSS renders as escape text. The session cookie is invisible to JavaScript. Session rotation issues a fresh token on login. Command injection hits a 302 with no subprocess called. Admin routes enforce authentication and role checks. The SSTI trigger returns a clean 500 page, and the race condition is caught by the unique constraint. All 7 vulnerabilities closed. That's the complete AquaGate security series. We covered client-side injection, session management, cookie hygiene, command injection and reverse shells, broken access control, debug mode exposure, and input validation with a race condition. Every exploit demonstrated on the insecure version, every fix verified live on the secure one. The source code for both versions is linked in the description.